I will talk about how can you select image storage says on your Zello app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you click here above this sign, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on options. So then you come to options list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on history, just click on it. Then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to image storage sys, click in this sign here. Then it's going to show for you like this, and here can you select image storage sys in this list on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.